It's just gorgeous in the sun.
You know our circles did.
Arm circles.
New camera just dropped.
That's sick.
Excited.
Wait, that is kind of cool. What is that?
Camcorder.
First store guy.
I don't know, pawn shops just come natural to me. That's how I got all my video games as a kid.
Really? I don't think you could pawn stuff until you were like 18.
You can't, but you can buy stuff. Like at 5.
Are you filming me right now?
I don't know, am I?
I don't really know. You did.
I'm gonna get Nord out of this. I don't even know what to ever expect when I walk in your dorm. I think
We're cooking corn dogs.
someone's. Oh, you were talking about this yesterday. What up, Nordy?
Corn dog time.
Oh, what's going on? Are you filming?
Nah.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh my
Dirty
goodness.
little John, bro.
We got the spike bowl. Looks like you got corn dogs cooking up.
We got corn dogs up in here.
Dude, you're a photographer. What do you know about cameras? You gotta tell me if this is good. What do you think I paid for this?
Dude. At least a few $1,000 for that.
Really? The camcorder?
How much are canceled?
Absolutely over $1,000.
You're cutie, dude. What are you watching?
We're watching regular show.
Again?
Dude, holy shit.
You gotta pretend to be a duck.
Look at my keychain.
What's up, duck? What's up? What's up, duck?
You think? Same thing.
Yeah, half like that.
They don't think of a duck.
I think you're a little bit of a silly goose.
Oh, bro, I'm gonna lose my spot.
No, you're not. No, you're not. We'll be quick. Automatic doors.
Sitting in the back.
Damn, bro.
So we gotta do Cole Van Vlogs. What is it?
Oh, shit. Hold up, hold up. Welcome to another episode in the day.
No, it didn't close. Jeez.
Oh, wait, hold up. Don't touch it.
Oh.
It's true. Sorry, man.
And it closes on its own.
Yes, we're in a minivan. Yes, you can watch Monsters Inc. on the TV screen.
Fire.
I know. Now, let's get to Boot, Scoot, and Boogieing. Because Papa wants...
It can't support what? No!
No, bro.
Wait, what do we do?
Supporting me, bro.
What do we do? What are we doing today?
We're just fucking swinging, bro.
We got the ham mix out here. It is very, very, very overcast, as you can see. We're hoping for a sunset that direction.
That's not...
It's probably not happening. We're creeping on Cole. Oh, they're actually playing right now
Cole?
as we're pulling up.
Nordy?
Look at them playing. Oh, just a bunch of dudes. I was hoping for not dudes. What's new, Nordy? What's new, Nordy?
What's new?
Yeah, what's new?
Not
really anything, man.
A whole lot of nothing, dude? No way.
Why are you acting all like suspicious? Oh shit. What the hell?
Yeah.
Bro, you made me feel like awkward.
I didn't make you feel anything, dude.
What do you mean? Like, why are you interrogating me? Like,
I'm not interrogating you, though. You're sitting kind of cute, though. Mog City out here in North. Look at Cole serving. Unfortunately, or for the fortunate. Alright, I got the sniper mode on. We got some, dude, this zoom is incredible. They're balling up in there. That's crazy. This is so far. What do you think of that shot, Eamon?
Just fire shot.
No, look, come here. The framing actually looks kind of cool.
No! No! And the vibe is like, just me by myself. Just me on my grind. No one else around. Did it not? Camera's cool. This YouTube video is even banger. More bangerness. And the buzz. the buzz. Okay. What'd you get? What'd you get?
I got a grape Mountain Dew.
Wait, so what'd you combine?
I did Mountain Dew Zero, and then we put the grape flavoring in there.
What made you do that?
I'm hopeless.
No, really? Like, what's through your mind? I don't. Is it rated out of 10?
I was like, I don't want to live anymore, bro. It was like a 6, dude.
It looks like pee.
It's like genuine pea water.
So you put grape flavoring and Mountain
I
Dew?
don't think it actually worked, because it just tastes like just really bad Mountain Dew.
It's really. I literally just got a hot chocolate.
Somebody's normal, somebody's coping.
Engine light check.
Oh, fuck.
No engine light. Are we good?
No engine light. It's just oil change.
Hype. All right. So Tanner broke his Suron, $5 grand down the drain, and look at this guy. we have to drop it off 6 hours today. Someone broke his Suron.
I'm pissed. 200 miles on the bitch.
200 miles, $5 grand down the drain. We're hoping we even get it. Where's the dog at?
I live in my home.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, because we're not spending the night?
That, and I felt bad taking him for 7 hours.
Yeah, it wouldn't be fun for the dog, would it?
So, here we are.
We got the booty truck today.
Yeah. Good gas mileage, though.
Really?
12.
Oh, we're stopping for snacks soon?
Yeah, we'll get some snacks.
Alright,
So,
bet.
you want a coffee?
Oh, we could get some hours done first.
Okay.
Alright, bet. We've been driving for 6 hours. We're stuck in construction. I don't know what that says. Taste it!
It smells like a fire now. Oh, it's
yeah.
that fire I was talking about earlier today.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. You see it? Back behind us. Oh, no, it's over there, too.
Are they still going or what?
The one is not the bad fire.
I got you. Look how cursed this looks. Holy cow. Mental asylum.
Inebriated.
We are en route. We're gonna go hammocking. Eamon's got my skateboard because I just filled up my water bottle. And then, I don't know, Cole's geeking. I don't know what Cole's doing. What are you looking at? Oh, squirrel? There's a squirrel in the trash? He's chasing him. He's a squirrel on the tire. He's running. Oh, there he goes.
You chill, man.
Have a good life, bro.
What do you think of the squirrel, Eamon?
Squirrel was fat as hell. He was getting munchies.
Oh yeah. We're outside. Holy cow.
Welcome to the limbo tree.
Limbo tree. Let's see if I can get the limbo.
Which one is that?
Limbo tree.
not good on your back.
Well, I ducked.
That is not good on your back. But we keep on trucking. Keep on going on. Ugh. Was that a squirrel? Oh, we got a bridge. No water, but bridge. Let's check that bridge. Get that bridge walk. That's pretty cool creek. Dude, you just hit the emotes every time I put the camera on you.
Yeah.
Emote City over here.
Emote City. 5-4, whatever the number was.
It's pretty. It's kind of pretty. We are here on top of the rock. There's a view. We are here. We're recently here. Recently here. And then this is the view. We got pretty cool view. We're gonna hammock up. I'm just kind of looking and browsing what we got. We got the setup, we got the straps, we got Cole and his cute little hammock. We got a little bit of a drop, and we got the view. I think that is a pretty successful little hike to hammock. Bang. Bang. Eamon, come on, I know you want to do it. Do what? Just do the thing. Oh, there.